So I'm going to go over number 28 with you. So number 28 says, 6 students measure the acceleration in meters per second of an object in free fall. The measured values are shown. The students want to state that the absolute deviation of each measured value x from the mean is at most d. So we want to find the value d. So let me first write down the values that are given in the problem. So in this problem, if you remember what the actual formula was, we would do the absolute value of x minus our mean. So our mean in this problem is what? I'm going to pause the video and I want you to do it yourself. So the mean would be what? If you did it correctly, the mean would be 10 and 5/100ths. Now, we would subtract 10 and 5/100ths. And we know that the mean is at most, or the absolute deviation from that is at most d. So at most d means less than or equal to d. So let's think about this. The absolute deviation means if I subtract each of these numbers by our mean, and we take the absolute value of that, has to be within the greatest value, which is d. We actually don't even need to set up an inequality. All we have to do is find our lowest and highest number. So what's our lowest number? It's 9 and 52/100ths. If we subtract these two numbers, what do we get? We would get 53/100ths. If we subtract the highest number, 10 and 56/100ths, minus 10 and 5/100ths, that's not, never mind, hold on, let me erase that. That's not our highest number. Our highest number would be 10.91. So if we subtract that, what do we get? We get 0.86. So now we know that in this problem, our difference, our absolute deviation, has to be at most d. So which one's the biggest difference? It's 0.86. There's our value of d, 86/100ths. So the value of d, the biggest deviation from our mean, is 0.86, and that's our answer.